Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher keeps turning on, touch panel, leak mode and power. Fix 1. Wipe down the control panel. You have to open the dishwasher door slightly to prevent it from running. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap with a warm water. Tap a soft cloth with a soapy water. Thoroughly wipe down the entire control panel. Use a completely dry microfiber cloth to remove all moisture. Fix 2. Force a hard reset. Go to a main electrical breaker panel in your home. Locate the circuit breaker labeled for dishwasher. Flip the dishwasher circuit breaker to off position. Leave the power off for exactly 5 minutes to drain any residual electricity. Flip the breaker back on. Observe if the dishwasher turns on by itself again. 3. Clear a stuck cycle memory. Open the dishwasher door, press and hold the start or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. Close the door firmly. Listen for a machine to drain about 60 seconds. Then wait to see if it turns off. Fix 4. Check for an internal water leak. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Shut off the water supply. Remove the lower front kick plate surrounded by 2 or more flip screws. Inspect the triangular metal or plastic base pan at the bottom of the unit. Soak up any standing water using a paper towel or a wet or dry soap whack. Allow the moisture sensor to dry completely. Thanks for watching.